Introducing the Jim Thompson Silk Scarf, crafted from 100% pure silk, proudly made in Thailand, and cherished as one of our most iconic creations. Each scarf is finished with a hand-rolled hem, where every edge is delicately rolled and stitched by hand, creating a soft, refined silhouette that speaks of timeless craftsmanship, light, breathable, and smooth against the skin. It's designed for comfort and elegance in every moment. Inspired by Thai artistry, every print tells a story through color, texture, and movement, celebrating Thailand's rich heritage through the hands of our skilled artisans. Beautifully presented in an elegant gift box, it's a perfect piece for yourself or someone special. With our scarf styling guide, discover effortless ways to wear your Jim Thompson Silk Scarf, an enduring symbol of timeless elegance.